Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix that your SOUNDCORE LIBERTY 5 aren't charging. So, if you plug your cable into these earbuds, you should be able to see here this LED light strip blinking. But if you are sure that these headphones are not charging right now, and you see this both in the phone and both here on the LED light strip, you will need to perform some tricks actually. The first trick that I can recommend to you is that you need to unplug the cable and check the charging port. If you see any dust, any debris here stored in the charging port, you need to somehow get it out using non-metallic tool. And no, I don't recommend plastic tool. If you have done that, or if you don't have any debris in here, we need to move to the next step, the power brick. If you feel that something is wrong with your power brick, or if your power brick is sometimes charges your device, sometimes doesn't, you need to change the power brick. Or if it still will work, your power outlet and both chargers would work, just try to change that. Try to change the power brick, try to change the power outlet, try to change the cable. Just try to combine all these things and make the best solution for you. If any of these ways don't work for you, we need to move to the final step, unfortunately, with resetting all your settings. Open the case lid and hold this button over here for 10 seconds. You should see this strip blinking rapidly 3 times. One, two, three, done. That's how to perform a factory reset. And if you have done the factory reset, you should be able to see your headphones working with ease. If you don't, even if your device is still not charging, you need to contact device support because you may have it broken. Goodbye.